Writing essays is hard, especially when you don't know where to start. But today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write a full essay in just a few minutes. And yes, I'll be showing everything on screen as I go. Well, I'm going to use the ChatGPT free version. First, I open ChatGPT. In the chat box, I type this prompt. Write a 500-word essay on how social media affects mental health. Include an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Use simple English like a college student. I press enter, and in a few seconds, I get a full essay. It has a clear start, 3 points in the middle, and a strong ending. But maybe it sounds too formal, not how I usually talk. So I type, make this sound more casual and relaxed, like a student is talking to another student. Now it feels more real, like I could actually say it. Let's say I want to add an example to one of the paragraphs. I type, add a short example about a teenager feeling sad after seeing perfect photos on Instagram. That's better. It helps make the point more clear and easy to understand. You can also write the essay in parts. First I ask, write an introduction about climate change and why it's a big problem. Next, now give me 3 short body paragraphs with examples. And finally, write a short conclusion that says we all need to help. This way I control each part of the essay step by step. But here's something important. Don't just copy everything and turn it in. Always read the essay, change some words, and add your own thoughts. ChatGPT is a tool. It helps you write faster, but your voice still matters. Try this method next time you're stuck, and you'll never fear essays again. Fast, simple, and kind of fun too.